Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. As some of you guys already know, the video of today is all about Ulanzi F12 Mini Speedlite. Now, I know a lot of you guys sometimes you like a portable Speedlite, and probably even me, I want a portable Speedlite because I usually like something portable. I dislike something which is a little bit massive. I understand the massive it gets, the massive it gives you, but sometimes you want something portable, it gets the portable minimal it gives you. Anyways, this is gonna be really amazing through all this Speedlite. So let's get started. Can you toast me some? Woo, there we go. So I grabbed this kind of Speedlite just to test it how much it is, because it captured me, and I checked out a lot of reviews online. No one has ever done the review of Ulanzi F12 Mini camera Speedlite. Now I decided just to grab it and share with you guys my thoughts, and we're gonna just test it around. I don't have any model. I may be the model today, you know what I mean, and I'll be sharing with you guys the pictures which I've taken using this kind of Speedlite. And the goodness about this Speedlite does not use like a battery or something. It's a rechargeable. You can just use a Type-C. I love Ulanzi products. They're really amazing. Even this light I'm using, you didn't check out the video, I don't know what you're waiting for. You can click here, here or here to check out this kind of it's a kit light for photography flashlight. It's really amazing. I'm using it right now to shoot this video, and it's really dope. I really love this light. So anyways, let's get started through the Ulanzi Speedlite F12. So yeah, is our Speedlite here, so we're gonna just unbox it right now. I like that sweet. Let's go, man. This is really nice Speedlite from Ulanzi. These guys are nailing it. The products, they're really amazing. So this is our F12 here mini camera Speedlite, which it's really amazing, guys, as you can see. And throughout the specs here, as you can see how it works, it has a flash level of 0 to 100. It has a color temperature up to 5600 Kelvin. Battery is 1200 milliampere battery. Flash speed, it has 1x60s and 1x//250s, and charge port, it's a Type-C, and net weight is just 108 grams, which is really cool. Now throughout our bad boy, we're gonna just get started right now. So we're gonna just open it. Nice, well packaged. I like the packaging from Ulanzi. They never disappoint throughout that. And another kind of stuff, there we go. Woo. Nice packaging, I can say. Really cool, not bad. Now we are having the manual, so it's really important to read the manual because you just get started how you're gonna use it, but we're just gonna figure it out. You guys, you already know what's happening, so I'm gonna keep it aside. That kind of stuff, you're having your USB Type-C in here, which it's really nice. So yeah, silica gel, don't eat it, just throw away, don't eat it. Yes, nice, a pouch. Wow, I never thought that we're gonna be getting that, but anyways, we're getting a pouch. It's a bigger pouch, and sometimes you can print out somewhere here and keep it, just, you know what I mean, just some patent. Okay, we're jumping out throughout our product. It's here. This is the product. Come out the product. Okay, we don't have anything else through the box, so we're having the product in here. So this is our product. This is our flashlight, and it's really cool, really minimal. This is the front, how it is. This reminds me of like a Godox. They had something like this before. So this is a universal one which can work with any camera. It does not select what type of camera, but works with Sony, works with Canon, works with Nikon, works with variety of cameras. So throughout here you can see we're gonna peel out this one, this bad boy, and you can have the pilot button, and let me just skip it here on focus, so as you guys can see, having the on button. So when you turn it on, it's on right now, the pilot. I think when you hold the pilot, it's supposed to do something, or am I mistaken? Or manual. Yeah, man, you saw that light? Check this out, manual. Poof, there we go. Really cool. So another kind of stuff, you can increase the intensity of lighting depending, just like a speed light, bigger light, and stuff like that. So you can just do something like that, the pilot and stuff. It's really cool. And yeah, it's really amazing, guys. Really well formed. And this is your port of Type-C, so as you can charge your Speedlite. This is really clever idea right now. Instead of using batteries, this is really top notch. And yeah, I really like it. I can't wait just to paint it, because I paint a lot of Ulanzi product whenever I get them, because they have really nice surface and it's well built. So let us just test it through our photography here at home. I'll just take some few shots, and because the main camera I'm using is this bad boy, and yeah, we test it out and see how it works. Right now I'm trying to take that car there. You can see there's a car somewhere there at the background, so I'm gonna zoom in right now a little bit, and yeah, and I've set a timer, so it's gonna be counting and flash, boom. Nice. Now checking out the picture, wow, nice. We just have to decrease the intensity of lightning right now, because it's just all over the place. But if you adjust it on Lightroom, you're good. If you just try to adjust this picture directly on Lightroom, you're good, or Photoshop. But we're gonna decrease it up to 30, because I kept it in 40 of the Speedlite. So let's see what it's gonna give us throughout 30, because I just want to get that minimal pull. Nice. Let's go here. Wow, that's super dope, man. That's dope, man. Check out the details, man. that's really cool. Just check that out. What am I saying? Check that out, man. It's really nice, right? So that's how you use the Speedlite from Ulanzi. To be honest, I'm so proud of the Speedlite because of how portable it is and how massive it is on capturing the image. So it's just you playing around with the lightning on the manual side to get what you really need. The demo how it is, it's really amazing on using this light. The only thing, don't use the auto, just use the manual, so as you can have a total control throughout your Speedlite. And another kind of stuff, it's really well form factored, and the specs, they're really amazing. The 1200 mAh battery can cover you throughout a lot of time through using this kind of bad boy. Not only that, it's really compact, because compact is where everything started. And another kind of stuff, it's having a USB Type-C. As I was saying, it's really amazing. It's always on the go. It comes with the pouch. If you guys already know the pouch, you might be finding yourself so many times, where did I keep my Speedlite? Well, you keep it on the pouch so as it can be safe. I'm not teaching you guys how to do that, you know already. So you just keep it here, fully packed, well packed. Use your bad boy throughout your projects. Really amazing. Shout out to Ulanzi for this. They didn't sponsor this video, but just wanted to share you guys the F12 Mini Speedlite, which is really amazing. You really need this. This is for professionals, it's for non-professionals too. It's really coming in handy. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. Just sub. Yeah, do that. You see at the background there, sub. Yeah, make sure that you're sub to the channel. We talk about tech, we talk about vlogging, we do bunch of stuff out here on the channel, which is really interesting. And let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this light? Is it really amazing? Did it capture you? How is it? And another kind of stuff. I'll be seeing you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.